this has to lunch here. Oh, good here. See it? This has to go through here. You don't like those, but it's okay. So this goes like that.
It's not that bad, it just takes a little while to get used to.
Yeah, I don't blame her for that. So make sure it's all grounded. That's the only reason. Don't forget this to ground it. Otherwise, it won't work. I think it screws like that. Is it out?
This one?
No, this one.
Yeah, I think the phone.
Make sure you ground it. After that, you go with this. Just gonna go like that. I want to get me a Phillips. Can you give me a little Phillips? So we don't want to use a power tool. It's not the right screw. It's kind of long.
My thumb's almost due anyways.
Yeah. Anyways, if you open any of the medical equipment, make sure if it's open, make sure you do assembly on it. Not that hard, right?
Nah.
It's just how you got used to it. I don't blame you for that. Tamara even hate those, huh?
Huh?
My brother.
He does? Oh yeah.
He said, I hate this. You put the syringe, like a coin in there. But you gotta get used to that, you know? I used to do 20 of them every day, every freaking night.
I got it from here. Pretty much it's just plug in. You got that, this. The one I opened up, that one, missing a bunch of screws inside. Who's
Really?
Who's Ian?
I don't know. I gotta find that one.
Who's missing this screw?
That, no, because that goes straight to this.
So it was missing this screw, and then one screw is like extremely long.
Okay.
I don't think they may have not noticed it though.
So those screws needed block screws. Oh, those they only do butterscotch.
Recording the whole thing?
Yeah. I'll show to camera.
Okay, let me point at something.
We change those.
Put the camera to Medix Man right there.
Medics, man.
Famous Yonas the master.
Oh, don't give me that credit.
Yonas the Jedi.
It must have been a pain when you first started, wasn't it? These?
I used to walk to Jesus' bench. Jesus, I'm having a problem. Can you come to my side? He went, okay. He's a good teacher.
Your brother.
He's a little bit.
I know he's doing fine in the hospital.
Hmm?
In Bregman Woman Hospital. He's doing fine.
Yeah, I know. And you gotta find the right spot. So you make sure that you want to put the right spot. If you turn it this way, make sure it goes right. Everything starts flying.
Boing.
I don't know, that's what I kept it. Keep the